Hi everyone, this is Prince Vegeta. Today is a throwback unboxing. We got this very old resin statue from DJ Function, I think. So without further ado, let's check it out. Classic styrofoam, which would demand my vacuum later. So let's see how Vegeta rests in his little chamber. He looks angry when he was put in this box. Well, I guess the real Prince Vegeta is gonna blow up my camera later. Show some respect, bro. Simple base and magnet arms, so easy setup. And size is 10 by 10 inches. And here's the medical Goku for you for the size comparison. Weight is about 2 kg. Okay, let's see from every angle. You guys may know this Vegeta is one of the very old resin statue that was in the market. And by that time, there's only some plastic figures, so we can just beat up every and each one of them. The size is decent, paint job is good, and the price is below $200 with shipping. And as they did a great job on his ass, the hell. Even though the base is simple, you can still see like two little clouds that you can feel the Vegeta's ki, and also those break like yellow stone reminds me like when Vegeta first turned Super Saiyan and went solo with Android 18. Does this face look anything like the Vegeta in Dragon Ball Super? Hell no, but man, it just looks like the real Vegeta coming out from the Dragon Ball Z anime. Super on point. And as you may know, there are many studios right now who can't do a great face. I think this probably because they're using the 3D renders now instead of the hand sculpture like in the before. For details, consider it's a 5-year-old resin. It's good, you know, there was no texture back then, and the paint job is hell how to work. There's no overflow, something like that. I don't know why some studio they still have the overflow paint, you know, but still really decent. So overall, this statue is a decent size, like really like anime accurate and great paint job. Plus it's cheap, so I'll give it a 10 out of 10 easily. 12 marks. Alright, it's been a while and I'm glad to be back. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.